Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel a Tinder subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply cancel your Tinder subscription, all you need to do is tap on your settings option. So once you tap on settings, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to tap on your Apple ID on the top of the screen. So once you tap on your Apple ID, you will end up in this interface where you need to now select the option called subscriptions. So once you have selected the subscriptions option, you will end up in this interface where all your subscriptions are listed. So simply tap on Tinder, which is also one of the apps that you have subscribed for. So once you tap on it, you need to simply be redirected to a different kind of interface, which particularly looks like this. So once you're here, you can find an option called cancel subscription. So once you hit on the option called cancel subscription, you need to now confirm that you really want to do it or not. So once you hit on the confirm button as well, you will be all good to go with your subscription on Tinder cancelled. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.